So what is Kajabi? How do I use it? And how much is it going to cost me? These are the three questions I get asked all the time about the Kajabi platform. And in this video, I'm going to be answering all three of these questions. And you should find this video interesting if you're trying to grow an online business, specifically in the knowledge commerce space. So you're trying to sell your knowledge online or building an online business with your unique skill set. So before I jump into the content of this video, if you are serious about starting your online business and Kajabi might be one of those platforms for you, I can get you a 30-day free trial with the platform. So it gives you some time to test it out. You can actually get a 14-day free trial if you head directly to Kajabi, but a 30-day free trial if you use my link. Head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And if you do sign up with my link, I'm going to grant you access to a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. I've put together some training on how to actually get started quick with Kajabi and how to get those sales in the door within the first 30 days. Now, full disclosure, this is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more money. You just get that extended free trial. But if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, part of your payment comes back to support me and this channel at no extra cost to you. And if you do become a paying customer, I'm going to offer you something in addition to Kajabi Unboxed. I'm going to offer you a sales page template course. This is super cool. I've put together some themes that you can actually download from this course and then upload them into your Kajabi. And you've got the structure and the copy for your sales pages in your Kajabi account. So that's 2 free mini courses from me. One immediately when you sign up using my link, Kajabi Unboxed. And then a second, if you continue to be a paying customer, just get in contact with me and I'll give you those sales page templates. So now I'm going to head on over into my desktop and show you Kajabi. Now here I am on kajabi.com. You can either Google Kajabi or just navigate straight to kajabi.com. They do pride themselves on having everything to do with courses, memberships, coaching, podcasts, anything that will drive a knowledge commerce-based online business. They have you covered. And this is the reason why I'm with them, because it is a one-stop shop for all of my online solution. So you can scroll down, have a look and have a read up of the product and some of the testimonials. There's even a calculator on here. You can times your number of customers that you potentially have with your what you're charging for a course or a membership. And if you scroll all the way down, I'm just going to go straight into products. I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean by the one-stop shop. So you have products, websites, payment integration, email, pages, funnels, analytics, contacts, and also an app for the mobile. So back in the day, I did used to pay for WordPress. I did used to pay for MailChimp. I did used to pay for Samcart. So WordPress to host my website, MailChimp for all my email marketing, and Samcart for all my checkouts. And then Lead Pages for all my landing pages. Here you have everything in one place. So I have one sign in, and I'm going to show you inside of my Kajabi account in a sec. So from duct taping, everything I used to do in terms of all these different apps and platforms, I just sign into one platform and it's all there for me. Now this really helped with the time and the effort for me to learn just one platform rather than learning a number of different platforms. This really cut down the time for me to actually get up and running and using this platform efficiently. So feel free to have a read up of each one of these in due course, and I'm just going to head straight on over into my Kajabi. So first thing I want to touch on is, if you haven't already set up your domain name, go ahead and watch my video. I've done a whole video on where to go to purchase your domain, how to actually select a domain that's right for you and your business. But then I'm just going to click into here. So this is the settings. The first thing you need to do once you sign up to Kajabi is you need to point that domain to your Kajabi site. So you need to go into domain settings and then site domain settings. You can also do the same with your email domain. But the thing I love about Kajabi is the support network. So the chat support is amazing, second to none, but also you have a search function. So anything that you need to learn about how to do in Kajabi, there's always a little learn more. You just pop that out and then it gives you a video walkthrough on how to connect a custom domain. So it's super helpful. Massive support network with this tool. This is probably one of the reasons why I have stayed with this tool for so long. So the next thing I want to show you is I'm going to go into my website. So this is the tool that I use to host my homepage or my landing pages or my funnels. This again, one-stop shop. So if you click onto the little website tab and into the design, this is my homepage. You can click to customize the page, or you can browse certain templates. Now, Kajabi offer you a series of templates and themes that you can use and apply to your website homepage and all of your custom pages. So there's some beautiful landing pages here. So you just got to choose which one that you think would be suited for you and your business and exactly what you're trying to do with your online knowledge commerce business. There's also some legacy templates here. So have a look through these, see which one you think is right for you, making sure that you've got your color palette sorted, your fonts and your main logo before you actually start building out any of these. And then all you need to do now is click onto pages, and I'm going to show you that Kajabi groups it into three things. So you have your website pages, which are all the main system pages, and then a series of landing pages, and then any funnels. And funnels are just linking landing pages to another. So Kajabi actually give you unlimited amount of landing pages and an unlimited amount of marketing emails, which is so powerful because you're actually just paying for one package and it offers this much value. So all the landing pages are anything you want to build out, like a sales page, anything in addition to the system pages. And all you need to do is just click new landing page, and I'll walk you through how to do that now. So I'm just going to click on maybe a blank landing page and just show you some of the functionalities, get started. And I'm just going to title this one test and show you how easy it is. So this is not designed for the coder. This is designed for the entrepreneur who has that vision and needs a tool to implement that vision. So as you see down on the left-hand side, you have a hero section, and all you need to do is add other sections. So if you like this heading, you click into it, and all you need to do is edit this heading. So you can just edit this as you go, and then it will just reflect up here. Then you can hit save. You can even put like a hero image in here, and then click back out of this, and then back out into the main page. Add a section. You can add any basic content in terms of text. You can add hero images, any features, carousels, marketing events, images, audios, videos, pricings, testimonials, socials. So let's just go and click on a form. So if we were to add a form into here, it shows you how it's going to present. So if we're happy with that, you just click add. Then you click into the form block, and then you can actually move. You just click and drag where you want the form and the text to be. If you don't want any text, you just click into that text and then click delete the block. So then if you want to edit the background, you click on the background, and then you can actually put this at a different color. You can either select a color there, or you can actually come down and click any of the colors that you have in your color palette. And then desktop layout, you can change where you want the actual form to be. So if you want it onto the left or the center. And as you can see, you can go down each block of your page. You can add another section and another section, and then you can move these blocks up and really create the experience that you want with whatever landing page that you're trying to design. Now, this is why this is great for sales pages, because you can just custom each block. And then once you're happy, you can then click save and then preview. And then whatever you preview will actually just show you, you're currently in preview mode, but this will show you how your sales page or your landing page presents. So how much does this all cost then? If you go onto their pricing page, you can either pay, if you're starting with a 14-day trial, you can either pay annually or pay monthly. Let's start with monthly. We have the basic, growth, and then the pro. The basics all in US dollars, $149 a month. And this is where you get 3 products, 3 funnels, again, unlimited landing pages and marketing emails, and then up to 10,000 contacts, 1,000 active members, 1 website and 1 admin user. This is great to get started. And this is the one that I would recommend starting with. If you already have a business that's up and running and you're actually creating some revenue, you could start the growth plan, which gives you more products. It gives you 15 products, 15 funnels, more contacts, and more admin users. So if you do have a team that you want team to access this account, then this would probably be the one for you. And in addition to everything that you get within the basic plan, you also get advanced automations, you get the affiliate program for Kajabi, and then you get the ability to remove the branding. The third one, the pro account, again, a little bit more. If you are a code editor and you want to edit your pages, you get a little bit more with the code editor. You get 100 products, 100 funnels, 3 main websites. So if you had more than one business, you could go with this one, 3 websites. And there's just a lot more in the Pro package. Annually, if you're paying for it annually, you do get a discount, but that just comes up out in a one lump sum. So considering I used to duct tape multiple platforms together, I actually saved money by getting rid of all those and just using one tool, which is Kajabi. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you or something that may be a good fit for you and your online knowledge commerce business, I'd recommend taking the free trial. I can get you 30 days free trial. Take it for a test drive, see if you like it or not. And you can get that by heading to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And again, if you do sign up to Kajabi using my link, you get that 30-day free trial and you'll also get a free course, Kajabi Unboxed, where I teach you through how to get set up and get money in the door within the first 30 days. And then if you find that Kajabi is a good fit for you and it works out well and you become a paying member of Kajabi, just reach out to me and I'll give you access to a second course where you can just simply download my sales page themes and just simply upload them into your Kajabi and go from there. So hopefully that helps, and by now you know what Kajabi is, how to use it for an online business, and what package would be most suited to you and your business. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.